I've been walking and walking, and I think I've found something. Could very well be another artifact. Maybe paying off. Because my canteen's empty. Been walking days. This place. It's a jewel. Green. Amethyst, maybe. Wait, I shouldn't. It's probably another one of those booby trap things. There's got to be a lever here that deactivates. No. Ooh, cell phone. What the? No service. No service. Wait. I hear something click. There. That was it. That was it. Just had to push the button on the phone. Carefully. Careful. Globe. Carefully. I don't think I should have done that. But I got the jewel! Yay! Well, what good is this for? Use it as a paperweight. Put it with my boomerang. That's two things that I have. My artifact collection. Show me your artifacts. And you could win. Nothing. Absolutely nothing. You could win my trust. My friendship. Alright. That made no sense. Maybe I should. I don't care. Goodbye, YouTuber.